Hello, PROCJAM participants. We are Martin,
And Char.
and we're going to tell you a little bit about small experiments with procedural generation that we've made over the last 1.5 years.
Yeah, and we're going to start with 5 Sparrows on a Vampire, which is our recipe bot, which gives you a new recipe every day. It's made with Martin's tool Ephemerald and cheap bots done quick. And the recipe we're going to make for you today is called the Fourth Gift.
And it will feature a lot of great ingredients that are, of course, dictated by the recipe. For example, pork cheeks,
Sesame oil,
and sesame seeds,
mushrooms,
and paprika,
garlic,
ginger.
onions,
Yes, and do I see some rice there?
You
I
do.
see some rice there.
sticky rice.
Oh.
Let's get chopping.
Okay, while things are getting chopped, let's talk a little bit about our tool chain. Our tool chain consists of Ephemerald, which was a project I did in 2018 in the PROCJAM, during the PROCJAM. And it's just a front end to tracery that makes it nice to speed up development. It's good for iteration to have these streamlined tools. And then we put the stuff on cheatbots.quick, and they're live, and we will talk a little bit more about what they are in a second.
So now, while Martin is blanching the cheeks to get them ready to cook, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about one of our other bots, which is my favourite one, which is called High Cookies. High Cookies, if you just send a tweet to @HighCookies, it will give you a fortune cookie in the form of a haiku, which we also made with Ephemerald and cheap bots done quick. And all you need to do is send a little message and it will send you one back. So I'm asking High Cookies now for a fortune for us. And what does it say? Hi, and welcome back to about an hour and a half later in the kitchen, where our food has been cooking all by itself. Martin is currently putting the food on top of the rice, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of our other projects, which is called Tiffareth. So this was a project we made for last year's PROCJAM, and it involved using GPT-2 to remix tarot cards, where we fed all of Aleister Crowley's Book of Thoth, which he's a magician from the early 20th century, into GPT-2, and then used very specific magically relevant numbers to pull back perfect and interesting new tarot card meanings. You can see all of them right here, and there's a few examples here also. So this is one of our other projects from last year, and now I think it's going to be time to get to the eating. Hello again. Hey Mar.
Hello.
Cheers to a delicious
Cheers.
dinner.
So,
It's looking pretty great, but we can't eat it until we put on our gloves because that was part of the rules of the recipe as given to us by 5 Sparrows on a Vampire. So, on go the gloves.
yeah, and actually the dinner turned out to be something right in the middle between goulash and Mao's favorite recipe, which is of course no coincidence because I might have used past knowledge in order to cook a new dish. But it is also exploring something new, just like we will do at the next PROCJAM, I guess.
Exactly.
So this one.
Using past knowledge to explore new things. And that's the thing that I really like about procedural generation is finding a way to get things to combine together to teach me something new, to tell me something I don't know already, and to ask the universe questions and hear little whispered answers back. How about you, Mar?
I have no clue what I'm doing yet, but I'm really looking forward to PROCJAM.
Mm-hmm.
And
Me
I'm
too.
really looking forward to this dish.
Yeah.
Bye.